The Pahalgam attack in South Kashmir on Tuesday has left a trail of devastation. With at least 26 people dead, most of them tourists, and dozens more injured. Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. This attack is being hailed as the deadliest in the region since the 2019 Pulwama strike, shocking not only the local community but the entire nation. But one important question that arises here is, why did the terrorists pick Pahalgam's Baisaran Valley as a target? The choice of Pahalgam for the attack raises several key questions. Officials suspect the attackers may have infiltrated from Kishtwar in Jammu and navigated through the rugged terrains of South Kashmir's Kokernag to reach Baisaran Valley. Baisaran Valley is known for its difficult terrain, steep, muddy, and is surrounded by dense pine forests and mountains. This makes the area both a scenic gem and a challenging spot for security forces to monitor effectively. The ruggedness of the area likely delayed the response from authorities and complicated rescue efforts. Despite this, helicopters and local pony handlers were quickly dispatched to help rescue the wounded people. Authorities believe that the lack of a strong security presence in the area may have made Baisaran an attractive target for the attackers, who aimed to maximize their impact. Pahalgam is not only a major tourist hub but also a significant cultural and spiritual site. It serves as one of the two routes to the revered Amarnath cave, drawing thousands of pilgrims every year. The timing of the attack during the peak tourist season is seen as no coincidence. Tourism in Pahalgam has been flourishing with an increasing number of visitors attracted to the valley, Mughal gardens and trekking routes like Baisaran Pine Forest. The attack in Pahalgam comes at a time when the region had been seeing significant strides in boosting its tourism sector. This attack has left a deep scar on the valley. This will dent tourism and hurt Kashmiri people's livelihood. If that's the intent of the terrorists, can we allow them to succeed? Just think about it. It's a wrap for now. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.